In this video, we're going to see an OpenMediaVault review. So OpenMediaVault is a free open source NAS network-attached storage operating system based on Debian Linux. It's designed to turn any PC or server into a powerful, flexible storage solution for home or small office use. It has RAID support like software-based and disk monitoring, SMB, NFS, FTP, AirSync, and SSH file sharing protocols. It's web-based and management interface extensible via plugins including Docker and SnapRaid. Also a user and permission control, smart scheduling, and power management. It's reliable and lightweight, ideal for setting up home NAS, large community, and works well on old hardware. But it is not built for VMs or advanced container orchestration. Less polished UI compared to newer system, and the plugin system can feel clunky or inconsistent. So OpenMediaVault is an excellent choice for users looking to build a dedicated, efficient, and flexible NAS. While it's not as modern or versatile as some all-in-one platforms, it's highly stable and purpose-built for storage, making it a go-to for home labs and small offices focused on file sharing and backup. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.